Good morning, class 7. Welcome to the moral science class. Open your virtue book, part 7, and we are remaining in the chapter of chapter 1. In this part, almost we have completed. We'll finish this chapter, and today we'll go to the new chapter. So, here only the recapitulation part. Sharvari was a pious lady. She was a great devotee. She prayed and offered her prayer to Rama. She was not a literate lady, but she danced, she sang a song in front to offer herself to Rama. And Rama Lakshmana one day they visited to trace Sita, and they came to know how much devotion she was sharing to Rama. She offered herself. She arranged beautiful berries and very nicely took care of Rama and Lakshmana. Rama was so pleased of her this side devotion and affection won Rama's heart, and he revealed to her about the 9 modes of devotion to God. Shavri told them about Pampa River, Kiskindha, empire of Shugriva, and Bali, and explained how Shugriva would be a great help in their mission to trace Sita. One can please God with sheer devotion and piety. This is the moral of the story. You have to learn the moral of the story. Now come to the class work and homework part. Only from this chapter we will do word meaning, correct the words and question answer. Page number 6. These are the word meaning I am showing you. You read the word meaning and then write it in your interleaf classwork copy. Pious, ardent, unletterate, piety, zeal, tidings esteemed. These are the word meaning you have to learn by heart and write every day. Practice every day. I hope you understand. Now I am turning up the page. Page number 7. Page number 7. Page number 7. Here are, see here, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I am some in technical problem. If you can see properly, I am trying my level best, but you have to pay attention what I am speaking out. Shavri was an ardent devotee of Lord Rama. Number 1. Got it? Number 2. Lord Rama approached Shavri's prayer. Number 3. Shavri was an old pious woman. Number 4. Shavri brought some berries for the two brothers. Shavri's devotion and affection won Rama's heart. These are the fill in the blanks. Now come to B section. Correct the followings. This you will do at your home. This is your classwork. I am showing it closer little. Only go through the word. Page number 6. Page number 6. These are the words. I hope you understand. Now come to the second part B. Correct the following statements. Which are the correct? You will get it from your book. You will get it from your book. You write it in your book. You are not supposed to write in your classwork copy. This can finish in the book. Now come to the question answer part. One question answer I am reading out. Who was Shavri? Where did she live? This is the first question. Who was Shavri? Where did she live? Shavri was a pious woman. She belonged to a tribal family. She lived in a thatched hut in a dense forest, Dandakaranya. This is the first question. I hope you can see. If you can see, you just pay attention. You will get the answer. You can get the answer from book also. Now the second question. How did Shavri worship? Shavri could not read holy books, did not even understand and the spiritual knowledge of the religious texts. She only transmitted messages of her heart by love and piety. Messages of her heart by love and piety. This is the second question. I hope should I repeat it? I hope it will be better for you if I repeat the question. Shavri could not read holy books, did not even understand the spiritual knowledge of the religious texts. She only transmitted messages of her heart by love and piety. This question answer. Please go through. Now, come to the third question. What was Shavri convinced of? Shavri was a devotee of Rama, so she was convinced that one day her Lord would surely grace her heart with presence. This is the third question. Shavri was a devotee of Rama, so she was convinced, this one, that one day her Lord would surely grace her heart with presence. Page number 7, 3 question answers. I am holding, you go through. Now I am turning out. Question number 4. How did Shavri welcome Rama to Lakshmana? How did Shavri welcome Rama to Lakshmana? This is the answer. I am holding it properly. Go through with the answer. First I am going through, then you will follow it. Shavri was beyond herself with joy when Lord Rama and Lakshmana finally rescued. This much you can write. Now question number 5, you put it homework. You write homework. This is your homework. This is your homework. This is your homework. You will get the answer from this part. From this part. Here, answer number 5. You can get it from here. This answer. This answer. This part you will get it the answer. Okay. So children, this part I have completed. I will start with the new part. Chapter 2. Chapter 2. So, do the classwork and the homework properly. Next day I will go for rechecking and I will take some demo classes also for your unit test. Remember, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 days as your syllabus. It will be coming in your unit test. Thank you children. Bye bye.